get, Don Don?
I got cards now to add Cam Newton. Yes. Oh,
Shh, Governor.
That's a valuable card. What the heck? What's in here?
Maybe it's just stuffing.
Okay. I can't get this open.
No. Here. You got it? Okay, hold on. Let me get Tyson. Hold on.
Come in. Okay.
What does the note say? Oh, that's the address. Okay, he said there's a Cam Newton
Oh! Oh!
one. Is that a lot of cards? Is that a lot of cards, Donner?
Mm-hmm.
What do you say? Look at the camera.
Thank you.